Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the easiest and most delicious shredded beef tacos dorados. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 3 pounds of chuck roast, yellow corn tortillas, oil for frying, half an onion, a head of garlic, 2 bay leaves, fresh oregano, lettuce, cheddar cheese, 2 roma tomatoes, chile de árbol, beef bouillon, salt, black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. We're going to begin by grabbing our pot, filling it up halfway with water, and bringing it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to add our meat and allow it to come to a boil again. Okay, once it comes to a boil, we're going to remove all of the foam formed on top of our broth. Okay, and once our broth is clear, we're going to add our onion, head of garlic, 2 bay leaves, oregano, chicken bouillon, salt, black pepper, and our cumin. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover it, and allow it to cook for 2 hours or until our meat is nice and tender. Alright guys, so after 2 hours, we're going to check our meat. Should be nice and tender. So at this point, we're going to remove it from the broth. Okay, in the same broth, we're going to cook our tomatoes and chiles de árbol. So just give them about 5 minutes. Alrighty, and after 5 minutes, our tomatoes are ready. So we're going to transfer them to our blender cup along with our chiles. Okay, so we're going to turn it off, and now we can get ready to make our salsa. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 1 garlic clove, a pinch of oregano, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half a cup of water, and salt. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our salsa, so now we can transfer it to our bowl. Okay, so here, taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. Now for our meat, I like to remove the fat. If you don't mind it, you can go ahead and keep it. And once we have it ready, now we can begin to chop it. Okay, and once we're ready to make our tacos, make sure that you warm up your tortilla. And now we're just going to add our meat. Close it. And repeat to the rest of the tortillas. Okay, once we have our tacos, now we can get ready to begin frying. Okay, so set up your oil on medium heat. And once hot, begin to place the tacos in there and allow them to fry until they're nice and golden on both sides. And you just want enough oil to cover the bottom of the tortilla. Okay, and as soon as our tacos are nice and golden on both sides, we're going to remove them from the oil. Okay, and we're going to stuff them with our cheese. Make sure that you add a good amount. And then get ready to serve. Okay, and once you're ready to serve, grab your tacos. I like to stuff them with lettuce. And just top them with lime juice. And of course, our salsa. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty, you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now, I am so ready. Of course, you want to add the salsa. But let me tell you that these are my favorite restaurant style crunchy beef tacos. They're honestly perfect, so simple, yet very delicious. And of course, homemade is always just so much better. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So good. Of course, the cheese, lettuce, the salsa, perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious shredded beef tacos dorados. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.